Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add multiple photo widget on your iPhone which has iOS 14. So you cannot do this by default. You must download an application. So first of all, go to your app store. Then go to your search and type in Widget Smith. Then download the app right here. Now after the app is downloaded, open it. Now, as you can see, there are three sizes. The first one is small, second one is medium, and the third one is large. So, first of all, let's go ahead and tap this Sunday 20 on small #1. Then again we'll tap on it. After that, let's scroll down and right over here, you can see custom photo option. So tap on it. And then on the bottom side of the screen, which is right over here, you'll have to select photo yourself. So tap on selected photos and then tap on choose photo. Now I've selected this photo, so let's go back here. And right on the top, you can see the name written small #1. So let's tap to rename and let's rename this photo to dog and tap save. Now let's add a second small widget. So simply tap add small widget and again repeat the process. Tap on the calendar, again scroll down, go to custom photo, tap selected photo, finally tap choose photo and choose your second picture. Now again go back and rename this picture. Let's rename it to flower and tap save. Now I have two small widgets, but I want to add a medium widget to mix up the sizes. So for the medium widget also, the process is same. Now as you can see, three photos are selected. So let's go back. Now you can add your photo widget to a new page, or if you add it on your regular page, the apps will be shifted. So you can do it either way you like. For now, we'll simply add in this space right here. So we'll press and hold anywhere blank on the screen. And remember, don't press and hold on top of the apps. So as long as you have iOS 14, this plus sign on the top left corner of the screen will appear. So tap on it. Now scroll all the way down. Now choose Widget Smith. And then let's add a small widget first of all. And as you can see, your picture widget will appear right over here. So let's do it again. Let's press and hold. Now the plus sign. Scroll all the way down to Widget Smith. Again choose the small widget. And now as you can see, there are two widgets of the same picture. So how can we change that? First of all, press and hold the widget and then tap on edit widget. After that, tap on widget. And now you can choose which picture you want to keep in this widget. So this is the reason why I told you to rename your picture. So let's choose dog. And if we go back, the picture should refresh. Now we have two small widgets. And now let's add a medium-sized widget. So the process is same. We go to Widget Smith. But now we will add a medium widget. And now as you can see, the sunset picture is already here. But if it's not here, press and hold. Go to edit widget. And now you can select your photo right over here. And that should do it. And now to move these widgets, press and hold anywhere on the screen except on top of the apps and widgets. And now you can drag them to wherever you want. And if you want, you can also take them to a different page. Now press done and there you have it. You have successfully added multiple photo widgets on your iPhone with iOS 14. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.